Hey everybody, welcome to my live tonight. This is a very, very special edition because I'm back on my profile page. Normally, I'm not on my profile page sharing, but gosh, a mess behind me. I forgot to shut my door. But this is a really, really special edition because I have our very first transfer called This Little Light of Mine. This little beauty right here. And it is our first transfer where $2 from every sale gets donated to our partner charitable organization called Watts of Love. Now, if you have not seen Watts of Love out and about as an organization yet, if you were watching Kathy Lee and Hoda this morning on the Today Show. Who doesn't love them? I love watching them. But if you saw them, they actually highlighted Watts of Love today. So you can go back and watch that, or you can just simply find them on Facebook, Google them. They are an amazing organization. And to be honest, don't know why I never thought of this myself, but what they do is they provide solar lights for people in communities where there is no electricity. And you would think, you don't think of this as like a big deal, but it's a huge deal. All right, let's do some shout outs. Let's go back. Welcome, Karen. Hi, Debbie. Hi, Katie. Hey, Terry. Hi, Sarah. Hi, Angela. Hey, Bridget, what's up? Cheryl and Janice and Nikki. Hey guys, hi Michelle. Hi Frasier and Lynette. Oh goodness. Okay, so basically people in these impoverished communities who don't have electricity are spending like 30% of their monthly income on kerosene to light their homes. And that is a lot of money. And also, kerosene lamps can be very dangerous and are dangerous, and children are burned and hurt. Hi, Jennifer. So, by giving solar lights to these people, they're not only having a safe light to use at night, but they are also saving 20 to 30% of their income a month. And so the organization is also teaching them what to do, how to take that savings and build upon it and grow and do what's best for their families. So it's an amazing organization. I love for you to look it up and watch my fun live tonight, because I'm going to do a cute little thing with this transfer, which I think would be adorable on a t-shirt. I didn't have a t-shirt tonight, so we're just going to show you on a board. Let's let's see. Let's go ahead and zoom on down to my work area today, and here I'll pop up. Let's see if I do this and I do this, and then I do that. There I am. Awesome. So what we're going to do is we are going to take this. Hi, Kelly. Hi, Debbie. Hi, Robin. Hi, Angela. Welcome. So, all right, let's just show you what I have. First, of course, I have my This Little Light of Mine transfer that we're going to use. Hey, Christy. Hi, everybody. So remember, $2 from every purchase of this fun little transfer is going toward Watts of Love. So we have committed to partnering with them and working towards donating quite a bit of money for the cause. I'm working on one of our new boutique boards with the white Grayson frame. Super cute, easy, lightweight for shipping. Comes with these great corner protectors, so in shipping they don't get banged up. Everything is awesome. This is a really great new board. We've only had it for just a couple weeks, and I'm loving, loving, loving it. It's a great new surface. Hi, Julia. Hi, Deborah. Who did I miss? Oh, Larissa. Hi, Larissa. Make sure you guys say hi so that I know you're here. And all right, we're going to get working. This is a great surface. It is ready to go right out of the box, so you don't even have to worry about it. This transfer is brand new, so I'm just going to mark the back so that I know when I'm putting it away that the transfer goes on the right side. And I'm just going to kind of peel this off as best I can. And we'll get this on the board. This has so many fun little designs on it, like these little arrows. They're super cute. This is a sticky one. All right, so what I'm gonna do is line up the top, and then because this is such a great surface, you don't even have to fuzz this one, which is awesome, might I add. Okay, so I'm just going to, I keep like, okay. Now, I'm just going to start on the inside and get out these bubbles. There we go. So cute. You see all the little arrows on here? So I've got a plan, kind of a plan. You know how I create. I just kind of like, I know I want to work with this tonight. I've got my 3 colors. They're vibrant, pretty. I may grab a pink to add to it, but not quite sure. Or maybe I'll do an orange. That might be fun, like some just bright, vibrant colors. Maybe I'll grab an orange. Let's see if I have one that will work, because I think I'm using these for that. Let me grab a different stir. I know I have. Okay, get this stirred up. My orange is a little thick, always is. That's just what it is. You guys have to be prepared for the orange. It's always thick. Hi, Corey. Welcome. Hi, Lucy. Hi, Lori. Hi, Tamara. Hi, Jana. Didn't I just see you? Hey, Betty Sue May. I just love that name. Betty Sue May. I love it. Okay. So we're going to do some fun stuff on this. And I'm just going to get my colors ready because I want lots of vibrant, I'm going to get some of this dried stuff out of here into my trash. And then stir it up. So we're always stirring our chalk paste. Always, always, always. And then this in particular, I'm going to be using my multi-purpose tool here for part of my squeegeeing because there are some really little things that need to have a very vibrant lemon yellow color. And then, okay, this white is about on its last leg. Let's get that stirred up. All right, definitely plenty to use for this. Okay. Yeah, well, so Corey, I usually go live on my business page, but today because I'm really sharing the word about lots of love, I wanted to make sure to come out on my profile so that all my friends and family could also see it, as well as the people who I love with Chalk Couture and my customers. So if you are, so that's why I'm kind of surprised over on this side. Not always here. So we're going to do some really fun, I think we're going to go ahead and do the light in yellow, and I think we'll have some, ooh, I'm thinking white arrows and yellow shine and yellow light, and then we'll do some green and orange in the middle. Sound like a plan? I think so. We're just gonna do it. What's the worst gonna happen? If I don't like it, what can I do? Wash it off and start over again, right? Right. So our biggest parts, I think it'll go pretty quickly. I'm gonna save this for my white because I know I'm gonna do these little arrows with the white. And so why don't I start with some green? I want just a little orange and a little green. So I think what I'm gonna do is white, green, orange, green, white, yellow, white. Okay, this is a plan. I've got to, I have to execute now. So I'm going to use multiple different squeegees because of the little areas and what's happening. So I'm going to go ahead and do my white, and I love these new containers where you can just like dip and go. It is my favorite that they're big, and I'm gonna do this in white. And so I've got this, you know, the older version of the small squeegee cut into bits, and I might as well just go ahead and do that. I'm kind of leaving it a little bit thicker because I know that there's a possibility that I will get going and then things can dry. And I definitely don't want that to happen. We're gonna do a little of the green. So the word little is going to be green, and to be a little more specific. Hi, Nina. Hi, Tanya. So we got our green there, and this is gonna be green. And then I'm gonna go back and do some more white. So hopefully I don't dry out on it. I'm gonna leave it a little bit thick. My green is good. Let's do the rest of my whites. I don't even need to use, I don't think I'm gonna need to use that little thing on the white. So I think these arrows are pretty good. I love the arrows. Do you guys like the arrows? I think they're just super trendy, and it's a great way to like show off some words. And oh, this big arrow here. And of course the let it. Ooh, I got a little green in there. It doesn't matter. I can handle it. I'm gonna try to scrape it. Actually, that's good. I'm gonna clean this. I need my wipes. Oh, of course, they don't break off. My luck. So I'm gonna clean this just a little bit to get that green off so that I can keep going with my white on the I'm. Good. Good, good, good so far. Good, good, good so far. All right. Now, yellow. I'm gonna go ahead and, gosh, I was thinking I was gonna have to use this because I was gonna do the little things in yellow, but I don't need to. I'm gonna use my big sucker, my big small squeegee. Love our new big small squeegee. Okie doke. We're getting the light done, and then we're gonna go into some orange. Oh. And then we're gonna do this. I am trying to move as fast as I can so that I don't dry out, but I'll tell you, I'm a little paranoid. I should have probably gotten a few wet paper towels, but it'll be fine, right? It'll be fine. We've got my orange. We're on the we're in the home stretch. I don't want to rush and then like, oof. Oof. I'm getting a little blend. I need a tiny one. Oh, you guys. It's all right. I stress out because I'm live. You guys won't stress out when you're doing this, right? All right. So now, I feel like if anything were to dry, it would be this up here. And if that's the case, ooh, if that's the case, check this out. You get a little wet finger, tiny, tiny bit. Get that a little tiny bit. And voila. See, yeah, these are a little tiny. Get my water. I probably should have gone over these, but I feel like that's it. The rest will be good. Now, I just need to have good pulling off. Ah, there we go. Now, we got to get this right into the water bin, let it soak. And me, look at my masterpiece. This little light of mine. Look at that. So, we've got really great vibrant colors. Yes, yes. So love that $2 of this transfer goes right to Watts of Love. This is a fun, fun design. You can see there are lots of bits and pieces. It will look amazing all white, all yellow, any color that you want. I'm doing this on t-shirts next because, especially for my little guy, he needs, and actually I should just make matching for all my kids because let's be honest, I want their lights to shine, right? So remember, this is available right now on my website, and you can do this and know that $2 will go right towards Watts of Love, right to the charity. I told you about it. I asked you to just look it up. Go on Facebook. You can find their page. You can Google it. Lots and lots of good is coming from this organization. So I'm very excited to be partnered with them. And I hope that you'll join me. Love how I see my hands going and my face at the same time. Thanks for joining me, tuning in, watching me. You can catch me most nights over on my business page, which is facebook.com/creativesarahpg. So find me there most nights, and I will catch you later. Thanks for watching.